Hey guys, what you see here is a 42-inch Hunter Beacon Hill ceiling fan. This fan is in the brushed nickel finish and it features reversible cherry blades. And on the other side is reversible to maple. And this particular model, I believe, is from August of 2001. And I actually got this fan a few months ago off of eBay. I actually found this on there for a pretty decent price. And I figured I might as well get it. Came 100% complete, but unfortunately in the mail, all but one of the globes were broken. That's why it has the Tiffany shades on it right now. This is originally what it would have had, just a basic frosted globe here. But of course, two of them are broken due to bad shipping. And also, when I got this fan, one of the blade arms is cracked. You can probably see that. It's bent pretty badly too. And that again was of course a result of the bad packing that this fan had. You can see the blades are pretty nicked up too, also due to the packing. And the fan was covered in kitchen grease when I got it, so I had to clean that off. And came out pretty well though. This fan obviously had a rough life in the kitchen, but overall I think it turned out pretty good. I do have to change that blade arm because it does wobble a lot, and I really don't want to bend it and have it crack more. But anyways, I'll demonstrate the light. Put these three Tiffany shades on, which I actually really like on this fan. These came with one of my Casablanca Concentras a few months ago that I got. I figured it worked really well on this fan, and I was right. It's that. There's low speed. Yeah, I usually don't buy fans off of eBay too often, but this is a model that I've always wanted. One of these early 2000s brushed nickel Beacon Hills. Used to see these all the time as a kid in numerous finishes, mainly either in white or this finish. You can see that blade's pretty bad. But I do have a Hunter Auberville actually that has, I think, similar parts, so I might be able to swap them out, but I'm not entirely sure yet. I'll have to see what the deal is, but performs like a normal early 2000s Hunter. You know, slight breeze. Kick up the medium. It's very quiet too. Has the installer's choice crossbar canopy, sorry. I do like that mounting system. Probably one of the best ones the Hunter made. Not a huge fan of that tri-lobular ball mounting system, but this one's not too bad. Does have some issues with swaying around side to side, but that can easily be remedied. It's starting to wobble just a little bit. Turn the light on. Now I know this fan probably will look better with incandescent light bulbs in it. There is some LED ones in it currently, but I didn't have any incandescents on hand right now. Don't really want to use them up on ceiling fans, because ceiling fans, they make the bulbs vibrate and they burn out quicker, in case anyone didn't know that. Even though it's off topic, I figured it was important to note. Here's high. Of course, it is wobbling pretty badly. Can't see it too much on camera, but it is pretty bad. That blade is way out of whack there. Yeah. It's a cool looking fan though, you know. I know they make the new version of this now, and it is obviously hideous, but this one looks proportionate. I like the flat switch housing, you know, not the bubble in the middle that the new ones have. These were very good fans in my opinion. Just got the blades here. Has the Hunter indented in the motor housing. Just a pretty basic fan, but this was a good seller back then. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.